Next day for project. This is 2010 Nissan Pathfinder, and this engine we are doing head gaskets. For head gasket, we have to remove the complete front shroud, fan, and cover bolt. And from here, we have to remove power steering, alternator, and here compressor. So make a space, as much as space I can do it. You have to make intake manifold over here on the top. Then you have to remove mid injectors, put it on the side, and this is how it goes. Then lose the valve cover gaskets and exhaust manifold, and they are 8 or 6 of them bolts. Then you have to remove the studs. On the passenger side is much easier than passenger. I mean, driver side is much easier than passenger side. Passenger side, you don't have a space to remove this shield. There's two options: either you cut it or you remove it from the back side over there, which is Catholic converter, where the starts. They have a 3 bolt 14 millimeter. Remove that. You have enough space over here to remove it. Some of the bolts over here. Uh, so, but you cannot go on the up to the end. That will be take more time. But this is another option. I will go just already lose it from there, but I will try to lose it from here, so it will be easy to take it off. But it's not a big issue. Don't forget, put it back, the shield, so otherwise you cannot put it. So over here we have a issue with the this bolts, which is bracket over here 14, and there should be going 2 bolts over here, which those are 14, which hold the main cover, and you don't have to remove this bolt, but you have to this bolt, but you have to remove this and the lower 10 millimeter. So you don't have to remove one and do this housing. So this VQ40DE engine have particular main bolt over here which holds the main idling pulley, and you have to remove that thing. Now this is what we remove it. We are almost done. So removing cylinder heads, you have to remove this back cover. For that, you have to remove the timing. For timing, you have to make a timing on it. So I'll come over there. And for the VTEC systems, we have to remove it. But before removing this one, we have to remove VTEC system, and then we are over here. So I can cover this loose over here. So going on the timing. So this is introduction. Then I'll go for timing. Please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.